Yahoo boys want to use this girl to do ritual, but God delivered this hookup girl. Young girls, I don't know how many times when something go do you people make una get sense. Una go use because of money, buy una self because of money. How much will that young boy give you now? If no be say God save you, now this girl will be a dead person now. Wait till you go tell God. Wait till you go tell God. Will you tell God that you are not hearing the gospel? Will you tell God that you are not hearing the warning that people are shouting on social media, telling you people to stop this hookup, to be careful concerning Yahoo boys and the people who they do ritual? If you're a young girl and you have sleep with a Yahoo guy, madam, go and check yourself in the spiritual. Go and check yourself. The way Satan prepare these Yahoo guys, what they are doing ritual. Then go use because of money, then go sleep in burial ground. Then go use because of money, then go sleep with a mad person. Some of the Yahoo guys, they sleep with their mother because of money. What in these guys they do because of money is terrible. If you say God no save this young girl now, then go buy this girl. Then don't tie this girl, close her mouth. That God save her. One guy told me something about 3 days ago. He told me that there is a guy, the guy they do Yahoo, and the guy want to sleep with a hookup girl. And the Yahoo guy asked the lady, how much will I pay you to sleep with you? And the lady told him, the guy told the girl, calm down, I will give you 150,000 naira, almost $100. The girl accepts. Immediately the girl accepted, they go to a hotel, and the Yahoo guy enter into bedroom. I don't know what he do inside the bedroom. After he do that thing, he come out, tell the girl, go, which I won't collect. They don't collect them. The Yahoo guy told the young girl, waiting I won't collect from you, they don't collect them. And he gave the girl money and left from that hotel. He did not touch that lady again. Many young girls now that you are seeing on the road, they are empty. They are empty. They have used for sacrifice. I'm telling you the truth. So if you're a young girl, you have slept with all these people, you need to go and check yourself. The youth of this generation, they don't want God to give them money. They need money from Satan. They need help from Satan. And that is what is happening right now. Because when you go and ask Satan to help you, Satan will give you condition. And that is what is happening. Satan will tell you what to do. But when you come to God, God will not tell you to go and kill somebody. God will not tell you to go and sleep with a mad woman. God will not tell you to go and sleep with your mother. God will not tell you to go and buy your fellow human being because of money. God will not say so. God will not do so. But Satan will tell you to do that, to show you that we have two kingdoms. Kingdom of light and kingdom of darkness, and you people decided to follow the kingdom of darkness. But know that when you leave this world, that kingdom of darkness, you will spend your eternity in hell, because that is where Satan belongs. Two kingdom, kingdom of light and kingdom of darkness.